If you're a marketer or someone who's familiar with online advertising, you've probably heard of the Google Display Network. But what exactly is it and how many websites are part of it? Simply put, the Google Display Network is a massive network of websites, apps, and videos where ads can appear. It's a way for advertisers to reach a broader audience by placing their ads on millions of different platforms. So, how many websites are involved? As of now, there are over 2 million high-quality websites that are part of the Google Display Network. This is a huge number, making it one of the most extensive networks for digital advertising. Whether it's a popular news site, a niche blog, or even a mobile app, these websites can serve ads from Google. With so many websites in the mix, advertisers have a vast range of options to target specific audiences. This allows businesses to create highly personalized campaigns, which are great for maximizing the impact of their ads. If you're looking to get your ads in front of as many eyes as possible, the Google Display Network offers an impressive reach. Whether you want to target users on specific websites or broader categories of sites, this network provides plenty of opportunities for digital advertisers. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you need help with your Google Ads, I invite you to take the 14-day free trial of my coaching program. Thank you and see you in the next one.